starting to get some color on the mountain, guys. We're a little bit early. Usually it's not for a while yet, but I think we had such an extreme drought this summer that it's got everything ahead of schedule. Probably by about 2 weeks. But it is pretty. Well, we got the other pasture opened up, so the girls have been enjoying checking it out and eating all the leaves and acorns. However, the spool did bite the dust. It was very rotted, and so I had to get rid of it. It was just kind of a danger to them. Afraid that it was gonna fall and crush one of them. There's the boys over there. Keeping an eye on everything on their perch. Good morning, girls. How's everybody doing this morning? We're still getting a few eggs every day, usually 2 to 4. Enough for Gemini. We will probably get a dozen chicks next spring. These girls are 2.5 years old, so we're ready to get some fresh chickens in here. Some layers. Really? Hello. Goodness. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. You'd like to just take a leap, wouldn't you? Taught her to jump into my arms, and she's just about too big for that now. But she still wants to. Hey, girls. Come on, everybody. Come on. Candy's just coming out of heat, and I think maybe Sylvie as well. Hi, sweet Casey. Hi, baby. And Candy kiss. There's Lily. Charo and Fancy. Maya, Roxy. Juliet over there on the fence line. And there's Luna, such a pretty girl. Juliet, are you hiding behind a tree? You are such a talker. I swear she is the biggest baby. Yep, she loves to talk. Cry, mostly. The way the acorns have been falling on our metal roof, it sounds like a hailstorm when the wind blows. Here they go.